Hey y'all, so I want to show you how I did this simple stitch here. Okay, so the stitch I just showed you earlier is called the Double Triple Crochet Stitch, and it's really easy to do. I'm going to show you really quickly in this tutorial. So first, go ahead and make yourself a slip knot. You can follow along with the screen there, and then place that on your crochet hook. Now what I have found is it's easier to do this stitch with a smaller crochet hook. So I'm using a 5.5. When I did it with a 6.5, it seemed a little too loose. So go ahead and make yourself a foundation chain, whatever number you want, and then just add 6 to it. That will serve as your first double triple crochet stitch. Okay, once you have your foundation chain complete, you're going to count over from the hook 6 spaces, and in the 6th chain or the 6th stitch, you're going to place your first double triple crochet. Double triple say that 5 times fast. Double triple crochet. Okay, so you're going to yarn over, yarn over, yarn over. It's going to yarn over 3 times, or you'll have 4 loops on your crochet hook. Into that 6th stitch, you're going to start your double triple. So to do that, you're going to yarn over and then pull through. Okay, then you're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next top 2, and then you're going to yarn over, pull through the next top 2, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2. So that makes a very long extended double crochet stitch. We'll do it again. So you yarn over 3 times. So you wrap the yarn around your crochet hook 3 times. Then you're going to go ahead and do your double triple. So here is where you'll yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2. Okay, so let's do this again. So yarn over 3 times, wrapping the yarn around your crochet hook 3 times, and you don't have to do this tightly. Remember, you don't want to make it too tight because then you're not able to work back through the loops that are on your crochet hook. So then you're going to yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2. Okay, so we'll do it again, but I'm showing you this project kind of ahead of time. I'm going to be putting up another little tutorial soon, and I'm going to use this stitch in it, so I'm making this video so you'll know how to do it when I get to that video. Okay, so let me show you it again here. Okay, and then the last 2. Right. So you have 4 loops on your crochet hook. That's what you want to remember. And then when you yarn over, you'll pull through the top 2. See, that's why you don't want to make it too tight. It makes it harder to pull back through. I always get it back through, but I just want you to know that you don't have to wrap it very tightly. Okay, so this is what it's starting to look like. It's a very tall stitch. Now here at the end, let me just show you what you do when you get to the end. Yarn over the same way. You'll yarn over 3 times, and then you'll go ahead and do the same exact thing that you've done all the way down the road. You just want to make sure you do it into the last stitch. This is a really fun stitch too. So it works well if you're going to be, if you make like projects that need a taller stitch. Cardigans, sweaters, things like that. So chain 5, turn your work, and in that next stitch, not the first one, because the first 5 is going to count as your first double triple. So in the next stitch is where you're going to go ahead and start what we've been doing this whole time. See what I'm saying? Okay, we'll do it one more time. Really easy stitch. Like I said before, it's easier, I think, if you use a smaller crochet hook. Or if you're going to use a bigger crochet hook, make sure that you use the appropriate yarn to go along with it. So a bulky yarn would require a thicker crochet hook. This is a thinner yarn. It's a 4-ply, but it's a thinner yarn. So I used a 5.5 in this tutorial. All right. And so that's pretty much it, you all. If you have any questions about this particular stitch, just let me know down in the comment section down below. And I'm currently working on a project that I hope to have finished pretty soon that I use this stitch, so I'll be able to kind of show you how you can incorporate this stitch into an actual project. Okay, so I'm just going to finish this one up really quick, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I get a few rows actually completed. So here you have it here. So that's it, guys. This is the double triple crochet stitch. If you have any questions, again, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.